G'day fellow YouTubers and welcome to How to Cook Healthy Nutritional Hamburgers with Luke the Fat Computer Nerd on New Year's Eve. It is New Year's Eve here in Australia, so I'm cooking hamburgers. First things first, the most important thing is a beer. That's the most important thing. The second most important thing you'll need is ingredients. So over here we've got deliciously bought prime Wagyu beef burgers from my local Safeways with some Bega cheese, tasty, none of that light crap. Since 1899, Australian owned and grown, whatever, however. Then we've got some 4 fresh Baker's Delight fresh baked buns, and we have tomatoes. Next thing you'll need to do is, and you'll need one of these, a spatula, and some Cobram Estate Australian virgin oil. The next thing you're going to want to do is put your burgers on the pan, like so. And you're going to want to cook, or flatten out even, the meat, like so. And have some more beer. God, that's so good. Not really too good for the belly, but I'll start that in 2017. So yeah, back to the cooking of the burgers. I hope everyone has a safe and festive New Year's Eve party celebrations, and wish you all the best in 2017. If you've had a kind of non-positive 2016 like I have, I hope that 2017 is much more is a much more enjoyable experience. This is why I like to cook. Cooking is very therapeutic for me, and it's a stress relief. It really is. When I want to chill out and have a beer and enjoy some time to myself, I like to cook. It's in 2017 I might take up cooking lessons. Yeah. Be an apprentice chef. Could be an idea. So, our hamburgers are sizzling away. Ooh, they're going to be good. Excuse the poor camera work. Holding a camera with one hand and trying to cook hamburgers in the other is not easy. Sorry, I won't drink beer on camera because I don't know. I just won't. Well, I already have, but you don't need to see that more than once. This is not how to drink a beer. This is how to cook hamburgers. I think I can flip them over. Ooh. Okay, so one side might be a little burnt, but that doesn't matter. They'll still be really tasty, and once you put the cheese and tomato over top of them, it won't even matter. The burnt taste won't even be there. Oh, so now for the cheese. This is my I like to do this with the cheese. Take the cheese, you line up your. There you go. I like to do that with my cheese and melt it on top of the burger. I don't find some people will say that you can melt the cheese when the burger's in the bun and on the plate, but I don't really find it melts it that well. Okay, so lots of cheese on there, lots of cheese. Okay, cheese is really healthy for you. Low-fat burgers. Well, I mean, I think they're low-fat. I mean, it doesn't say that they're high in fat, so I don't think they can be really that bad. Yeah, how are we going over here? Yep. Our burgers are cooking away. Also, it's a good tip to stir your burgers around in the juice and some of the melted cheese that's in the pan. It really does add texture and flavour to the burger. Also, if My Kitchen Rules or Jamie Oliver or Gordon Ramsay see this video and are like, damn, this guy's a really good cook, we've got to get him on our show, don't hesitate to look me up, because I mean, I can show some of those people really how you need to cook, or how cooking should be done. Okay, so it's sizzling away there, smells absolutely delicious. Even out some of this cheese a little bit, spread it all, make sure you've got good coverage on your burger. Okay, we're going to take out some of that stuff there. That melted cheese, it doesn't need to be attached to the burger. God. Okay, so get that out of there. Excuse me. How are we looking? I think that's just about going to do it for the cooking of the meat of the hamburger. So now I'll turn the pan off and they can just stay warm in there while I prep the buns. Okie dokie. So there's one done. That can be the guinea pig bun. Okay. We need our spatula. Oh my god. Okay, so we take the deliciously melted full tasty cheese on top of the burger. We place it in the bun like so. And yes, I washed my hands before I started cooking. Okay, so we place the hamburger in the bun like so. Then we take our deliciously sliced tomatoes and we place them on top of the hamburger and the melted cheese, like so. Then you close the bun so that the other end of the bun, so that the so that the meat, the cheese and the tomato is all sealed up in there. Nice, delicious, compactly something or other. I can't think of the words right now. And taste testing. That's a good burger. Now, that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make burgers on New Year's Eve with Luke the Fat Aussie PC Nerd. So good. So good. Another thing to note, when you're eating the burger, generally I don't talk with my mouth full, but just to show you guys how delicious my burgers are and how good a cook I am, I have to. But another thing is good to well, I don't think you need to see me eat all the burger. This has been how to cook delicious, healthy, nutritional burgers with Luke the Fat Computer Nerd. I hope you guys have learned a lot from this video. I'm probably going to be putting out some more videos like it, especially instructional cooking videos, because I am a pretty damn good cook. So I hope you enjoy the burgers. I hope you enjoy New Year's, and I think that's it. Alright guys, catch you in the next one.